Big things be popping after these crystals. I'll be tips and notorious, you can't walk in these shoes. But if you're ready to die, you can fit my suicidal thoughts. To succeed, we don't knock, we kick in the door. Trying to move out of my mom's house to see a happy home, but I'm seeing no changes. I got Pax eyeballs, I'm fatal. Like Hussein, my friends are outlaws. The good die young, the motto still life goes on. I got my hand on my forehead, pushing it forward to Kingpin, one of Zim's finest to ever breathe on the MRC. As I speak in the name's Kanzwa, word to mischief, and the boy better, the offspring of Sean P. Moving through the earth powder like Aaliyah. Age is just a number to all these cougars. I'm not a player, being super lyrical got me to F a lot like the Punisher. Let me demolish ya. The big picture of being flamboyant like Lamont. My future's all black, is it cause I'm street struck, living the lifestyles of the poor and dangerous. The ancient voices are calling me to look to the spirits. The way of life speaks to me whenever I listen to Chiwoniso. Life, it's all about the ups and downs like a 6-4. Easy is mind after seeing the blood samples. No remorse on these beats like Jay Dealing. The booth is now my slum, I'm poverty, illness, I'm breeding. You can't pillage, the stage is my new village. The mic got Epps blood and it's stuck in my fist. Check Mike Tyson's cover, I'm Sean P in the flesh.